So Bafethu Hlathi is officially arrested. He is arrested for kidnapping ubavumile. So they found uHlathi Bafethu lapha kwaNtsiki. So I don't know. They searched. They were too intelligent with their tech. And uLukhanyo actually came up with this theory ukuthi uNtsiki once bragged ukuthi uhlala ePimville. So obviously when uHlathi parked his car in the middle of nowhere in Pimville, he walked down. You understand? So that like they can track the car but not him or the location that he is in. So bafethu said ngiyambona uLikamva Thumeka, they are all disappointed as should. And uHlathi-ke bafethu-ke ugqivize iy'thupha, meaning ukuthi they took his fingerprints at the police station. That's how bad it is bafethu for uHlathi. I'm assuming obviously if you put your fingerprints on paper, you now have a criminal record. You understand? So things are actually going from bad to worse for uHlathi. So as you can see, bafethu Sithombeni, uHlathi is entering his cell accompanied by the policeman. He's accompanied by the policeman to his cell. This guy looks scared as hell. He's nervous. Obviously, this is jail that he's in. He's not at his house. He does not have anyone. He does not have anyone to actually support him. He's all alone. So Bavumile is back home laphana kuZoleka. So the family is actually excited. I can't really say excited, but I can say delighted to have Ubavumile back. You understand that? So it was a glorious moment for the family. Everyone knows Olega appreciated how Uti Abe, a supportive sister, and being a sister who's actually there for her younger sibling. You understand? So it was a glorious moment. You understand? At least there was a sigh of relief for the family. Lapana Lazarus, Olega with Pamtoli Ubavumile. So Hlathi is having it bad lapha ejele. It's another environment, yabona. Mayithi uyavuka, he wakes up, yabona, he's seeing a stranger that he is actually sharing the room or the cell with. You understand? And the guy is actually thinking about everything that had happened the night before when they arrested him. Yabona, as you can see, this was the night before. And then so Hlathi is actually thinking about it. Yo, this is how he got arrested because of kidnapping. And everyone yabona family kaHlathi, as you can see bafethu, Likamva, Thumeka is actually disappointed yabona seeing uHlathi going to jail, which is actually sad, by the way. So Qhaweka bafethu is overworking herself to impress uOnga, you understand? And I've been seeing this ukuthi uQhawe actually likes uOnga. Qhawe has something for uOnga, but ke nabona bafethu uZoleka is getting worried ukuthi uQhawe is overworking herself, of which she shouldn't. Plus uQhawe has been having this heartburn. I don't know what's happening, yabona, but she has been having this heartburn, you understand? So uZoleka was kind of worried, yabona, and she told uQhawe ukuthi she must go and attend the doctor midweek. And uQhawe ushilo ukuthi she's going to attend the doctor alone. She's going to do it alone. I wonder what the heartburn is. Angazi yani, but I wonder ukuthi yani kahlukaphi. Sad times for Thumeka bafethu. Sad times for Thumeka. Her husband is in jail, yabona. And obviously this is the mood and this is how she's actually feeling. This is how she's acting, but because her kids are around her, yabona, uLikamva and Yanga are supportive, yabo. But ke uLikamva ke actually opened up his chest to say ukuthi uHlathi deserves everything that's coming for him. He deserves to be in jail because what he did was wrong. He kidnapped Ubavumile, you understand, of which he shouldn't have, and he didn't like put his attention to the family. Instead, so he deserves to be in jail. And that is painful, very very painful. So naba abochomi abangani ke lana uZethu noQhawe, they on a video call. So basically I think they're speaking about uOnga, you understand, because on the other side siyazi ukuthi uZethu has something noLikamva, you understand, which is not yet official as yet. Ngalena uQhawe has her interest on impressing uOnga. So Qhaweke got to the office first, yabo, laphana eKhusela, and yakufika uOnga, and he was kind of surprised ukuthi how usefile laphana already, understand, but Qhawe is onto a pitch, a project, yabona. She wants to finish a project. She's actually committed to a project, yabona. So she wants to submit the project to uOnga, and uOnga is kind of impressed, yabona, because he even told Qhawe ukuthi he was quick to actually misjudge uQhawe, and she sees potential uQhawe She loves her work, yabona. She's glued to her work and she's very committed, yabo. Chemistry there. On the other side, bafethu uNtsiki, uThulani, and uThulani's wife go to Limise's house, which is Utumeka. So when they reach the house, they telling Utumeka ukuthi she must get ready because they wanna go to the police station and hear about Hlati's bail hearing. You understand? And Utumeka has every detail. You understand? So she has all the accounts. She knows how Hlati operates and everything. But unfortunately, guys, the bad news is Utumeka said she won't go. Nabo Abuntiki. Unfortunately, she won't go with them. She won't accompany them. So they have to go on their own. There was this touch that Kawe gave Onga, and Onga seemed astonished by the touch, you understand? But I'm not sure if Onga's actually getting the assignment. I'm not sure if he's getting the memo. Kawe actually likes Onga. Yeah, so Kawe opted for a date, but Onga turned down the date, of which he said it's unprofessional for them to go for a date. Damn, that's crazy. So bafethu uNtsiki noThulani go to see uHlathi, and apparently uNtsiki had to spill the beans by telling uHlathi ukuthi uThumeka does not wanna come and see uHlathi. She's not ready to see uHlathi, understand. And now the way this family is kind of corrupt, they were even thinking of like bribing the officials or the law people. I don't know if it's the law or the official people. So it's crazy. I won't lie. It's kind of crazy because like it's hard to bribe an official. You understand? It's very hard to bribe an official. So I don't think at some point you actually qualify to do that as a person. But moving on, guys, I'm sorry about that. I was acting crazy. So uLazarus bafethu spend some time yabona they bond with Bavumile, but the biggest catch is there's something that's recording uLazarus lapana in the house, which I think it's a camera, you understand, because there's a footage that uLilian is watching from where she is, you understand. So uLazarus is speaking to Bavumile, telling Bavumile ukuthi he was actually controlled by money and power, you understand, that before having to think ukuthi he's gonna be a father, he was controlled by money and power. I think everything revolved around money and power, but he is blessed to actually be the father of Bavumile. He is blessed to actually be a part of Bavumile's life. And you could see from the face, the face is changing because Lilian was once in a relationship. She has history with Lazarus, you understand? And these people aren't in good terms, ever since they separated. So on the other side, bafethu uZoleka visits uHlathi lapana ejele. Just to tell uHlathi ukuthi he should have left early. He should have left when it was early, you understand, not to interfere into Zoleka and Lazarus's life, you understand. He should have left Labona Bavumile from the very start. And uHlathi assured him he is not gonna stop at anything up until he receives what he actually wants, of which is his son. Yabona Bavumile. He's not gonna stop up until he gets what he actually wants, and Bavumile uzomlwela up until the wheels fall off, like the wheels even break off, you understand. So uZoleka uyasho ukuthi he must stop because everything is actually affecting his family, uThumeka and his kids, So that's it, bafethu, on today's episode of Inimba. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Love you. Danko.